How to pay on Alibaba. Let's get started. Launch your Alibaba app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You land to the homepage. Now go ahead and select the products that you want to buy. Add those items to the cart. Once you do that, click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're on this page, here you're going to find the list of the items that you have selected for the order. Now click on checkout. You'll be directed to Start Order page. Now, first up, you have to provide your shipping address, then select a shipping method. You can use Visa card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or other payment methods. Select the option of your choice. Then, scrolling down, you're gonna find details of your product. Now, click on Proceed to Pay. Now, go ahead and select your payment method, then provide the details. I've selected debit or credit card. Now, provide the details of your card and then click on Pay Now. So, this way you can easily pay on Alibaba. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.